guys, I want you guys to know that I have a DJI Mavic 3 Pro. I love this drone, okay? I mean, it's an amazing drone. I'm addicted to droning now. But about an hour ago, I went to go test out my new safety blades. You know, I was like, I'm gonna go check these things out, right? Well, I go outside, I go to turn it on, nothing. It makes the noise. The blades twitch. That's it. No fan, nothing, no lights. I'm like, oh no. I come inside, I watch all these videos. I try different batteries. I'm losing. I should have made a video of this, but I didn't make a video. I come over here, I put my battery in, and I tap the top of the drone like this, and I turned it on, and I swear, I almost woke up my wife to tell her my drone was done. It would do that before, but now the lights came on, it connects. I was freaking out. So if you put in your battery and nothing happens, but it just makes the noise and nothing else, no lights, nothing, take out the battery, put the battery back in, and tap the top before you turn it on. I'm so relieved. Now, you know, I'm not flying this thing anywhere dangerous until I make sure this doesn't happen again.